सबर का फल मीठा होता है ना, लेकिन ये सबर का फल खट्टा होता है काफी। Welcome to my Sindhi kitchen, where childhood memories and soul food like Sindhi kadi, aloo tuk, sai bhaji, right up to hidden gems and recipes from different families from all over the world come here in this kitchen. Welcome and let's start cooking. Pickles that actually tickle. Now, literally, when we're talking about tickling, believe me, they really play with your taste buds. Now, besides this, pickling, fermentation, preservation has been a part of not Sindhis but civilization. Early on, when there was no refrigeration, there was people only ate in the seasons, there was no fast food, everybody ate with the seasons. Now, if I want to eat carrots in May and June, it was very difficult then because those were winter vegetables. So how do you bring everything together and conserve them, preserve them? Kabza kar dete hain. It happens with pickling, dehydration. जैसे हम अपने vegetables को सुखाते हैं. On the coastline, people are actually dehydrating fish. So in every culture in the world, we all have gone through this way. हमें कुछ, we had to keep it. Now, based on that, when the Sindhis came from Pakistan over to India, they only came with skills. But Shikarpur in Sindh was the pickle center of Sindh, where you had some amazing things. So even now, when you go to Kopri in Thane or you go to Chembur, the guy who's actually the pickle wala, he's actually a Shikarpuri. Believe me, I just found out. Anyway, तो आज हम बनाएंगे 3 प्रकार के pickles that tickle. The first one is where we are using koro tel, okay? यानी कि mustard oil, कच्ची घानी का mustard oil, which I have actually smoked. I mean, we have got it up to a smoking point, cooled it down, and I've kept this. It's absolutely ready for our pickle. Now, ये pickle के लिए I do a little bit of marination, okay? Literally. तो कल मैंने क्या किया? I have taken about 1.5 kilo of कच्चा मैंगो यानी कि कैरी. मैंने उसमें थोड़ा सा नींबू डाला है and I have also put some fresh haldi. Now in this I have about 150 grams of salt, 80 to 90 grams of Kashmiri red chili powder and about 30 grams of haldi. And look what we've got here. Look at this. Now this is the liquid inside. Oh my God, is like liquid gold. Okay, this we're going to use it up and see how. So now if you go to see, ये जो है हमारे stage 1 के spices थे. Stage 2 is where the funk comes in. Now here for this, इसके लिए I have with me 4 tablespoon सौंफ. Okay. फिर हम डालेंगे इसमें 1 टीस्पून या 1.5 टीस्पून कलौंजी यानी कि नाइजेला सीड्स. And then we have 1.5 tablespoons of black mustard and 1.5 tablespoons of yellow rye. Okay. ये जो rye है, the mustard seeds are the ones which bring out that tartness, that sharpness and preservation as well, including methi, which I'm adding here. 1 tablespoon here is actually also responsible for fermentation. जैसे that's the reason why you put a little bit of methi when you're making a dosa ka batter. And then my twist to it is some black pepper. Okay, so about 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of black pepper in this. Great. Now let's give this a little grind. Oh yes. Wow, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Amazing. तो अब ये जो spice है, अभी हम इसमें डाल देते हैं. Okay, beautiful. I also have with me some garlic, which I'm adding into this as well. And now in the meanwhile, I don't want to waste this liquid gold. इसको हम बिल्कुल इसमें खींच लेते हैं. Perfect. अब इसके बाद हम इसमें इसको मिक्स कर देते हैं. All the liquid at the bottom, okay, which is a 24-hour marination, okay, that liquid has come from salt, from the mango, from all the spices, and look at this, it's become this amazing mixture. Wow, I just love this feeling. Nice. तो अभी हमने ये मिक्स कर दिया है हमारे पिकल को, and next we're going to add is I'm going to add this into a barni. So let's really fill our pickle. I've got like 2 or 3 lemons inside. I've also added a little bit of black garlic. Okay, black garlic is another fermented product. ये कोरिया और चाइना में बहुत मिलता है. तो जब मैं हांगकांग गया था मैं ये टाइम लेके आया था, and you know what, ये this garlic, the black garlic is fermented garlic. The pickle is also fermented. So this is almost like a double fermentation. Okay, though it's not necessary, it's only an option, but this is how creative you can get in your kitchen. So to some point there are some things which you can't avoid. ये जो आपका बर्नी जो है, और अगर आप you're using a martaban or you're using any kind of glass bottle, plastic bottle, steel I don't know, but you have to make sure ये जो आपका जो बर्तन है, they have to be absolutely dry and clean. Now the preservation happens here is because of कच्ची घनी mustard oil. Yes, perfect. So I'm just going to make sure that it goes down all the way. Eventually it will. Just going to give this a little push here so it travels all the way down. We need a little bit of headspace on the top for the pickling to be breathing. We got to make sure that everything is actually submerged in this oil beautifully. We just cover this. And now you need to keep this for about 5 to 6 days outside in the sun, and then back inside and keep it for as long as you want. Now this is exactly what I mean when I'm talking about preservation, culture and pickling. So pickle number 1, amazing. The second style what we like to do is water based, okay, पानी वाली खटाई. तो यहाँ पे 1 लीटर पानी में मैंने 20 ग्राम नमक डाली है, okay. So this is the salt water which actually creates something called khatta or lacto fermentation, okay. All the chefs in the world, all the young, they should all know that actually fermentation actually started from India, okay. It all started from here. Everything is fermented. Idlis, dosas, the works. Of course, bread. So now, uske liye, I'm using these lovely silver onions, okay, and I've also added some chilies into it. So I'm going to add some chilies at the bottom, and then I have these onions to go in. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to drop my onions and my chilies in here. Along with this, thoda sa hum peesenge. So I've got 2 tablespoons of chili flakes. I've got a little bit of salt and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Here I have 1 chamach methi, 1 chamach kalonji, और 1 चम्मच है मेरे पास येलो मस्टर्ड सीड्स यानी कि येलो राई. Give this a coarse grind, okay. I can even use my mixer there, okay. I can use a spice grinder or a mixture, but this is not such a big amount, so I'm actually going to grind this. Fantastic. अभी हम इसमें डाल देते हैं पहले, so that the onions are nicely coated with this, okay. Perfecto. So you could also do it in advance and keep it, like I had done the marination of my pickled vegetables 24 hours in advance. But it's okay to do this. There's nothing wrong with that. As long as you have the spices right, we all good to go. Beautiful. अब हम डालेंगे हम इसमें हमारी brine, the 2% brine which we call it. So you have to make sure that this is always covered, okay? Sometimes we use something like a weight into it, but these are going to be, they has enough water to do it. We have enough. Every day we are going to be shaking it. Now this will take about almost 4 to 5 days till you actually ready to eat it. So it's relatively a much shorter or a quicker pickle. Cover it a little bit. Pickle number 2 ready. And then the final one, which is a mix of everything, where we are actually using raw vegetables. Okay. Now अगर आप चाहो आप इसे blanch भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन I don't really do it because I like my pickles a little crunchier. They take a little longer to ferment, but okay, who cares? हाँ, सबर का फल मीठा होता है ना, लेकिन ये सबर का फल खट्टा होता है काफी. Okay. So now over here, let's season it now. So here we have our typical freestyle pickling, as I call it, because I'm using a mixture of vinegar and water. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of sugar as well, a bit of honey as well into it, but we're not really doing that. I'm just doing my few chilies in here, which I love eventually. So I love my pickled chilies, and I don't give a damn about these ready-made jalapenos which you buy. You know, you can make your own pickles very easily at home. They are just amazing. So I've got about 150 ml of vinegar here. I've got 600 ml of water. Let's add the vinegar to this. And as I said rightfully, yes. So this is about 300, and then I'm going to add another 100 of water. Yeah, so we've got 700 and 300, okay? 700 of water, 300 of vinegar, which gives an amazing thing. Now you can add some honey into it, you can add some sugar, you can add some kind of fruit if you wanted to get a little more funkier. Sometimes when strawberries are in season, you can put strawberry. अगर आपको इसके साथ आमला भी डालना है, it's just amazing. Okay, तो हल्का सा हमने इसमें और नमक डाल दिया है. Okay, to this we're going to be adding a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of red chili powder. मज़ा आ गया. And then what I like to do here, I want to add just a handful of cloves into this, and I'm going to add a bit of cinnamon as well into this. Okay, so this is a very nice, very beautiful, rich style of pickle. We're going to give this a nice mix. So you got to make sure जे आपके जो vegetables जो है हमने बिल्कुल nice एकदम प्यार से उसे mix कर दिया है. Okay, somebody just said, chef, put some dhania. I said, okay, I'm putting a little bit of dhania as well to this. You can also add dhania seeds into this if you wish. Talking about dhania seeds, I'm going to be adding peppercorns as well in this, और हम इसमें थोड़ी सी सौंफ भी डालने वाले हैं. Okay, so we've got my veggies here. So अभी हम इसमें हमारे vegetables भरते जाएंगे. Right here. So we have our beautiful veggies here. As you can see, they are well seasoned. And let me actually just give a final taste to what my pickling liquid looks like, or my brine looks like. If it has enough salt, if it has enough vinegar, let's check it out. Wow, bingo! So you got to make sure that all your vegetables are completely immersed in this amazing brine. So this is a third style of pickle. अगर आपको इसमें you want to add more aromats, अगर आपको fresh हल्दी डालनी है, slices of ginger, you want to add some more chilies into it, you want to add some shalgam into it, you want to add some beetroot to it. This is basically a quick pickling solution where you add vinegar, salt and water. Enjoy the recipe. I hope you really went through all these different processes, how different cultures have different pickles, and believe me, pickling and fermentation is the future, and I'm glad that younger chefs are taking ownership of it, because all they say, oh, my grandmother makes the best achar, this one makes the best achar. But now it's time that you make those achars and carry it down to the next generation. Sabi Chau, Julela!